Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming an unboxing on June's BOXYCHARM box. I actually received it yesterday, but I haven't opened it. The only thing I opened was this seal right here. I figured I would film my reaction and the products I got. This is actually my first BOXYCHARM, so I definitely wanted to film the reaction. So let's get into it. This is the box right here. I think this is really cute, the little part right here. You know, I'm all about little details. So let's go ahead and open it. Okay, so as soon as you open it, this is how it comes. Hopefully I'm not, alright, there you go. That's how it shows. It has a little card. Pretty much explaining the theme of the box, and it says Caribbean Queen. And it's talking about all the products that I got. So I got one palette, which is the Alamar Cosmetics Reina del Caribe palette, which, you know, that's why I really got the box. But it also comes with this brand called Baddington Monroe Silk Lashes, Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Cream, Luxie 3-piece Flawless Complexion, Jante Blue Waterproof Eyeliner Pencil, and then Ofra Cosmetics Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. So I am like kind of thirsty, but let's go ahead and open the box. Ooh, well. I'm really excited. You guys don't even know. All right, so this is how it comes. All right, let me calm down. Okay, so I don't even know where to start. Right, I guess we'll start with the brushes. I know these brushes are expensive, and like they retail for $20 and up for each brush. So this is actually a deal. The value for all of these brushes is $42, which is pretty good. Well, maybe I was wrong about the prices, but you know, nonetheless, it's still a good deal. This is literally my first impression. I'm excited. Okay, so you get a Luxie Precision Foundation brush. I'm not really a brush person when it comes to foundation. I'm usually sponge, but I'm actually going to give this a try probably in the next video I do. You also get a Luxie tapered highlighting brush, and you get a dual fiber powder. I like these brushes to blend the contour. They actually feel really soft. Yeah, I like this. I'm pretty excited about this. So these are the brushes right here. Get a liquid lipstick, like I mentioned before. This is in the shade Verona. Let's go ahead and swatch it. Actually, I'm gonna do it right here. So it's like a pretty dark nude mauve. It's like brown undertones. This is the swatch right here for you guys. This is the Brazilian Sol de Janeiro Bum Cream, which I was really excited about. I know this is really good for like your butt and thighs, so you know, I'm gonna put it there. Not right now, but eventually. But I want to smell it. Oh my god, it smells like those like those, what's that brand called? Bath and Body Works, like vanilla hand cream soap. Maybe I should try it. So I'm just gonna get a little bit, put it on my hand, rub it all over. That smells really good. I'm gonna use this tonight on my. And then this is the Jante Blue in the color charcoal, I believe, because I've seen other reviews. Yeah, it's charcoal, and it actually glides on really smooth. I thought by looking at it, it was one of those pencils that are really like hard and rough, but it's actually really soft. And wow, I really like this color. And if I could show you guys. So this is the color right here of the pencil and charcoal. Okay, next we have the Baddington lashes, and they look pretty cute. The packaging is really cute. They're silk lashes, and these run retail for $28. Oh wow. And these are the lashes right here. Can I get a drum roll, please? Okay, now the backstory about why I got this box. Okay, so I'm sure you guys know who Kathleen Lights is. Well, I follow the girl that does her makeup, you know. And I've been following her for actually a while. I believe her Instagram username is GapTMUA, but I'm sure you guys already know who that is. So I remember she started talking about this palette a long time ago through her Snapchat, and she was like giving teasers and things like that, and I automatically fell in love with the colors. I was like, wow, I need that. And then she came out with the palette, but it was, I believe it retails for $28, but that doesn't include like the shipping, so it was like 30 something dollars, and I knew I couldn't get it, you know, when she came out with it. But then once I heard it was coming to BOXYCHARM, I was like, yeah, like I need to have it. And you know, the box is $21 and it was a steal. But other than that, I really liked the other products that the box had, so I was like, I need to hop on this like right now. So this is gonna be the first time I open the actual palettes, and let's see. Oh wow, this is stunning, beautiful, stunning, amazing. You need it. Yeah. And I'm not getting like sponsored or anything for this. I wish. Holla at me though. But yeah, these colors are absolutely beautiful. I want to swatch it, but I don't want to swatch it, but I have to swatch it because I'm sure you guys want to see. Alright, so I'm just gonna do like 3 shades because I don't want to touch all of them. So I'm gonna swatch Celia, which was one of the colors that actually stood out. Oh my god, wow. Alright, where do I do that? Alright, try to do that. Sorry guys, I'm like a little shook right now. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Like, alright, let me just do the other swatch so I can show you guys what I'm talking about. And I'm not like, sorry, and I'm not over exaggerating. This is just how I get about makeup. Wow, it literally glides on like silk, like butter, like velvet. I don't even know how to exactly describe what's going on right now, but it's pretty good. Wow. Oh wow, yes, yes. Look at that, guys. These are all the swatches. Oh my god, the camera honestly doesn't do no justice. I'm shookest. These shades are absolutely beautiful. Oh my god, I cannot wait to put this in my eye. On my eye. Wow. Alright, I'm just gonna swatch a matte color because you know sometimes the shimmers actually come out pretty nice. So I'm gonna swatch the shade Coco Taxi. Let's see. Oh wow. Okay. Gabby, come through. Let me show you guys. Sorry, I actually fell. So this is a swatch for the matte shade. Obviously, the shimmer ones are gonna look more intense because their shimmer and mattes are dry, but it actually swatched really nicely, and I'm so excited. And these are the finger swatches actually worn out. Well guys, I guess that wraps up my BOXYCHARM unboxing. I am actually so happy with all the products. I'm most excited about the Alamar Cosmetics palette. Again, you guys knew that. The brushes, the charcoal pencil glided nicely, the liquid lipstick felt nice, the lashes look cute, the lotion smells good, and I'm pretty sure it's good because a lot of people rave about this brand and I've read nothing but good reviews. So I'm actually so excited about everything. Yeah, if you guys are thinking about getting BOXYCHARM, I highly recommend it. I know they showed the preview for the next box, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna get it because it had like a palette, like a nude palette with like a lot of colors that I already own, so I might skip out on that. But again, I'm not sure because I've seen some skincare products and I'm a big skincare junkie, so we'll see. But nonetheless, I am just so happy with everything. I just want to say thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for my next video.